Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my face is just bare. This is me when I wake up in the morning, and yeah, we're gonna get started. But don't forget to subscribe before you go and before we start this video. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Benefit. This is like a brow gel. It have a brown tint to it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just feather it up onto my brow before I like fill it in and do all of that stuff. So next I'm going to take my NARS concealer and I'm going to clean up my eyebrow. I kind of like doing this because it kind of gives my eyebrow a different look when I fill it in and then clean it up. So first I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to take that concealer all the way down to my eyelid. You guys know that I love to do this. Okay guys, so I'm going to take my Patrick Starrr with MAC, his first collection, and I'm going to go ahead and set that eyelid before it starts creasing up on me. Next, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette. This is called Nubean, the Nubean 2 by Juvia's, and I'm going to take the shade called Jezebel. It's kind of like a maroon color, and I'm going to go ahead and pretty much put this all over my entire lid and a little bit above. And I'm going to go ahead and keep putting on shade until I reach to the desired color that I want. So next I'm going to go back into that palette and I'm going to take this shade called Madagascar, and it's like a very cool tone shade, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right on top and above my, not above, below my eyebrow, just to clean up and just feather out those edges. Next I'm going to go into Cleopatra, and this is a nice blue shade. I love this shade. I never used it before, so today's the day. And I'm going to put it right into the center of my eyelid, kind of like a halo look, and I'm going to go ahead and just pack it on until I get to the desired shade. And I'm going to go ahead and just clean up those area with that same Jezebel color. So I'm going to take my NYX primer. It's kind of like a primer that you use to put over the glitter. This is the Glitter Brilliant from NYX, and I'm going to go ahead and take that first and put it right on top. And this just give it a nice pop, like it just bring the whole entire look out, and I love this so much. Next, I'm going to take my NYX liner in black and I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. And I'm going to go into my mascara, which is the only one that I use, Bad Girl Bang. Then I'm going to take my NYX this is the orange concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and just conceal a little bit of dark spot that I have on my face. Now I'm going to take my Clinique Stay Matte Foundation. This is very full coverage, by the way. You do not need a lot. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put it right on my face and blend it out. So first I'm going to blend it out with this brush. I have this quite a while now, over a year. I got it from the beauty supply store. I'm going to go ahead and do that first, and then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender just to blend out those areas. So I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer in Deep Golden 60, and I'm going to go ahead and conceal wherever I normally would have concealed. Now I'm going to go back into the Patrick Starrr powder and set that concealer. And I'm going to go into my NYX powder. This is what I use for my contour, and it's in Expresso. And I'm going to go ahead and cream contour today. Not cream contour, I'm sorry, powder contour. So next I'm going to go back into that Patrick Starrr powder, and I'm going to take that just to finish off the rest of my face. I started doing this a week ago. Normally I use my MAC in NW45, but I like this. It's really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my entire face. Then I'm going to go into the first shade that I use on top and just smoke out the bottom. So next I'm going to use my Anastasia blush in Cocktail Party. You guys know this is the only blush I use, nothing new here. And I'm going to put a little bit because you guys know I am not a blush person, but this blush just gives me life. And yeah, I'm going to spray my face because my face was feeling very dry. I use the Mario Badescas. Then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and just pat it in. Next I'm going to go into my Alexix Rain with Colourpop, and guys, look at this. I don't know what happened. It fell pretty much and it's broken, and that glow give me life, and I'm still going to use it. And look at that. Look how beautiful this is. This just blend right into my skin, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. So next I'm going to use my Patrick Starrr lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and this one is in Brick. Then I'm going to go over it with the Colourpop in Saturday. This is a really nice shade. I love the shade so much. It's just giving me life, and it's good for the winter/fall. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for a new video. I upload every single day, Monday through Friday, and I hope you enjoy my look. Don't forget, if you want me to do any look, leave it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, and I will definitely see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.